Guys, angilali kanti kwenzakalani kusasa kuba ngathi uSkotheni ukhuluma kakhulu uSkotheni hey uthanda iCloud I'm fearing for my life right now. I'm literally fearing for my life. Hayibo ngisadila nengane yami Nkosi engasekho ngiyakhala imihla namalanga nakho ke okunye kanti yini ngicela basifake enkantolo sithu basibeke lamajaji namaphoyisa kwenzakalani. Why is she still harassing me? The police officer. Guys, where's Matthew? Guys, you post the coffin of my son, then you go open a case against me. Listen, if God makes it a way and justice everything, if I'm at fault, if she's at fault, at her. Angisasisa ngoma. Stu. Mafa. Injustice. Yafika. Ngabosho yena. Ngiyabiyeka ubusangoma. Ngiyokhulekela nje abantu. I'm still going to help people, but ngiyakhulekela kuphela. Ngiyabiyeka na.
Ya sanibonani wengane zakwethu sondelani ke sikhulumeni ekseni kuMgqibelo engathi ngaba nosuku oluhleke, but before that please make sure that you subscribe if ungasubscribile or upress like noma ushiye comment lakho sizokuthokozela ubuke nama adverts. Hayi ngeke ngane zakwethu mina hayi mhlambe ngiyashesha ukuboreka noma ngiboreka kalula or nginenkinga. I'm gonna need Gogo Skhotheni and Maweni to wrap this thing up, and I need them to wrap it as soon as possible, because what the heck is this? Besileleke phela thina ke siyavuka manje kuseni uSkhotheni uye live, but first let me read ama WhatsApp message akhe. Uthi 3 a.m. in the morning getting a text from WhatsApp messaging from a police officer saying I must hand myself in cause of a certain gogo open a case against me. Mind you, she's been calling me from 9 p.m. I'm not above the law. I will never be, but I asked her to come to my house and arrest me. But she's saying I must hand myself in so I will get bail. She sent me location. I realized it's in Soweto. So for my safety, I didn't go. Therefore, I asked her to fetch me. And then I send her my message. My message and then she's like, arrest me. I said, officer, how can I arrest you? Because I don't know your address. Why don't you hand yourself in? Some people, they hand in themselves. That's why they get bills, because we don't suffer to arrest them. Then my Gogo Skhotheni says, oh, so you guys get bills because you handed yourself in. Hey, Angazi guys, but please educate me so I do right by the law. And then she says, I cannot share all the conversation because it involves people's names. Mara awa guys, until when? Even now I can't sleep. She's calling and texting me. Dear SAPS, please fetch me if I'm at fault. I won't drive at 3 a.m. as a woman alone to Protea police station where the case is open. I'm writing all of this on social media, not for clout, but if anything happens to me, please know where it's all started. Yonke le nto ingenxa yebhokisi lapho yo, and I was wrong to retaliate. I'm not asking for sympathy or pity. I've never made my son's death a weapon for people to feel sorry for me. I picked myself up 2 days after the funeral. You called me names, nitangizili. Yes, because I knew no one owes me any sympathy. Isono sami yini, ukuzala ingane egulayo, ukushonelwa guys. Tell me a remedy of stopping death, cause I think I made peace, yes, with Gogo Maweni, because I wanted to move on, but I won't forget. It was going to take time to forget. It was still new. It's only been 5 months engekho boy. Kodwa yo hi. I suffered boy phila. I am suffering engasekho. Akunandaba, but manje ke ningifuna because he's not coming back. I must keep quiet. No, I won't. Not when it comes to him. I would rather lose myself, but for my son, I will fight. That's my son. No, this is not me grieving. No, this is me fighting for my son. I grieve in prayer. There's no one who will comfort me more than God, and no one. And I love God. He loves me too. Just because my son is no more, he doesn't love me less. am I that dangerous? Or am I that dangerous to control a case or even to tell the police who to arrest and who not to arrest? So apparently she opened a case against me because I am busy feeding journalists with information. On what information, Batongi? Yo, and then continue goes again and say, dear police officer, it's 4 a.m. Please arrest me. If I'm at fault, I will never be bigger than the law. Hey guys, I mean, young lentos. And then she posts the bogus again at it will end here, boy. I think I'm gonna stop writing about Gogo Skhotheni and Maweni right now because it's irritating at the end of the day. Okay, I won't stop because you guys want to hear the news. So now she goes live. She says she's scared for her life because amaphoyisa asifuna ukumbopha indaba kaMaweni. Maweni is accusing Gogo Skhotheni of feeding the journalists the stories and feeding Lulahlangelo Dr. Matthew. Remember ukuthi kuboshwe ubhuti kaSabelo and umalume kaSabelo, and then there are pictures of Sabelo enomalume wakhe, and then there are pictures umalume attende umshado wabo, right? So Matthew posted those things, and then now uSkhotheni uthi Maweni says Matthew was being told by Skhotheni uyaphika uthi nakamjwayele uMatthew. She only asked for a number ngalenkathi esezwa kuthiwa uboshwa amaphoyisa uboshelwe ukuthi uthi akalazi icala naye ukuthi wayeboshwa, and uthi uMatthew uyavuma ukuthi Maweni umfoneli wasicela delete lama video labayana. Like now the question is now I don't know bangwan like but then I also feel like Skhotheni uthanda ukukhuluma kakhulu. She's been going live, she's not yebo. Gogo Maweni also started by involving herself in Penika Dominic kanye no Gogo Skhotheni, of which if she didn't do that, to be honest, she was not gonna get here. It was not gonna get here of her being arrested, of ama in-laws akhe arrested. Hayi kodwa ke kasihlebeni you bengamuhle ufate lesangoma lesasabo esibula we last year ne assistant yaso lo dutshulwe last year. Hayi yo bengamuhle lwagobela bemuhle nolwantombazane. I went through her videos. Fate Gobela ngizomfakela la. Hayi bemuhle yo, yazi buhle obuthulile, buhle bentombazane obuthulile. Washona ke no Gogo Bandile ke assistant yakhe usuthu abadutshulwa ke last year and as badutshula around about April. I mean, I just don't understand ngempela ukuthi yena udutshelwa ini ngoba Maweni akathwasanga again, but they were friends and they were appearing on uthando noSithembu ekuduma uthando noSithembu la kuthina emakhanda. So that's where we at. I'm going to try and look for the video where uSkhotheni sikhuluma nimlalelele nizwele yena nimlalele ukuthi uthini esho ukuthi ke namhlanje ebusuku bongala la kusho ukuthi it's going to be a long day ever, simply because kusho ukuthi usazoza live usazofonela iphoyisa again, uzoboshwa noma ngakaboshwa, ameboshwa uboshelwane awuyasatshiswa noma akasatshiswa. And then now apparently also Gogo Maweni then decided to call iphoyisa leli elihandlisha icase kaMaweni ngale, and then now they're accusing uSkhotheni ukuthi leli phoyisa labo Maweni liphuma ngakuSkhotheni side. It's a lot. But then also I don't think there's a police who could harass you, not harass, but call you around 3 a.m. and 9 a.m. and tell you to come to the station, and even because manje ugogo Skhotheni uyarecorda nale phoyisa leli line anger nalo yabo. So now I don't think it's a really police. I think it's somebody that's nje you know ilento ingahluka kabili. What if umuntu nje osesukela nje osefuna ufaka uMaweni inkingeni futhi ofone ngathi uyiphoyisa. Okay, it's a lot. Guys, thank you so much for pulling through. Listen to the video.
No, I'm the one that got your number and got your details. So I needed to open a case for criminal injury as well as defamation of character because my lawyer gave me the go-ahead to do that.
Okay.
So I don't understand why you're doing